Alright, so we're on our way to Vermont. It is 4:30. Gonna be a pretty late trip, but we got some pretty chill stuff planned. Just like a mini vlog. We got a gym session, cliff jumping, fishing, and I don't know, whatever else we decide to record. So, yeah. Ah, bro, they're not closed. They open at 7? There ain't no way. Well, we made it to the Vermont Welcome Center, Diddy. Yeah, look at that. Aura's Hill. Guilford.
Bro, why is this place gotta open at 7?
2.5 more hours and then we arrive to our destination. Kamla Playground.
Is it not open?
No, it's not. Having fun?
I don't even know. Like, is that what that was used for?
I think so. Let me try.
Yo, Alex, look. Look, I'm holding the phone.
Bro, where's working on rage, dude? It's what I always did as a kid, so I think it's what it's used for. What else would it be used for?
I don't know, strip club?
Strip club? Freaking 9-year-old shoddy, bro.
Alright,
Should I do in the grass? Or just there? Oh,
we got the 2.2 seconds.
2.2 seconds. Alright. Bro got 4 on the dot. I didn't get any momentum. I suck. I need to lock in. Not as good. 256.
Cornball.
What? You want a cornball? Take a guess in the comments if you think these are male or female. Take a wild guess. Put your guesses down below. Bro, what is this?
You hook this up to a horse.
That's actually pretty cool. I don't think I've ever walked like this little path.
Oh my gosh, dude, this is a John Deere.
Really?
Look at it. It says John Deere on it.
No way it does.
Bro, how old is this guy?
Bro, this thing's unk. This thing's literally unk status.
You can't even call this a tractor, bro. Bro's making plows.
Plows. What do you rate that masonry work right there?
I have to go up and check it.
Inspect it.
It looks like it's all dry stack.
Yeah. Bro, you're not going there. You're gonna get a freaking
We get like a 3-inch tick.
yeah 3-inch tick.
Alright, bro, take a seat.
Alright. Yeah. Take the
Alright, bros. Alright, let's plow this field, bro.
Alright, bro's the horse. Bro.
This thing hasn't been moved in freaking years.
What is this thing? This thing's pretty nuts. Bro, what is this? It's like a rototiller.
This thing needs some WD-40.
Do you think? Are you sure? Are you sure? Are you sure?
Guess who's finally getting his powers?
Me, Dad.
Are you sure?
Are you sure?
Are you sure?
Are you sure? Funny, but dude.
Bro, why do they have birds at the front of
Yeah, they poop all over it. This thing's kind of devious.
Bro, imagine putting like your day like right there and then just like dropping this.
All right, bro. What is this thing? All right, next up. With the Diddy.
We were going so fast.
I was sleeping.
We were going so fast. We passed Alex's parents in like 15 minutes after they got a head start, and now they're 17 minutes behind us.
Yeah. No, they left like 10 minutes early too. What do they have for energy drinks?
They have yerba.
Oh, hell no.
Everything is they have Monster.
No ghost. No ghost. L. This is the hall. All right.
Alright, so we got this like coconut M&M brownie looking thing.
All right. Let's review it. Are you ready?
Yeah. It's pretty good though.
Yeah. A lot of coconut, but it's really good. Next up, the campground. 100 more miles. The Peak Mountains. Alright. We just got some worms. Gotta go fishing for some trout. And then we're going to the gym after, so hopefully we catch some fish. We got some poles ready. Alright guys, we didn't catch jack, so we're just gonna go swimming now. Alright, start off with squats. Just made it in.
You a note on the table cold. The ink was dry but the words still bold. Goodbye for now, but it read like never. You're gone for good, gone forever. The echoes linger, glittering in this hollow space. Your ghost keeps calling, I can't erase. Fade out, you're slipping from my mind. Fade out, your voice gets left behind. It's a slow dissolve, a blur of sound. Fade out, love's lost and never found. Your shadows fade where the light won't bend. The photograph starts to condescend. I play the moments like a scratched up tape, but every rewind's just an empty escape. The static hums where your words once stayed. The silence grows, I'm unafraid. Fade out, you're slipping from my mind. Fade out, your voice gets left behind. It's a slow dissolve, a blur of sound. Fade out, love's lost and never
And we'll never ever put it back together. I should've known better, you were lying.
Maybe I made it more complicated than it had to be. Maybe I'm mistaken, but it's taking something out of me. Maybe I'm too patient, cause I waited until now to see. Take what you say and I ruminate away reality.
We'll never ever put it back together. I should've known better, you were lying. Unshattered, the picture I was trying to see myself in. Unshattered, the promise that I couldn't help believe. I don't know how it got so cold, but my chest is holding all I'm feeling. Unshattered,
I was waiting patiently, saving judgment for too long. When the hesitation would set the stage that I'd lose on. You were only aiming to pass the blame and then move on. You just turned the tables and made my right to a new wrong.
and we'll never ever put it back together. I should've known better, you were lying. Unshattered, the picture I was trying to see myself in. Unshattered, the promise that I couldn't help believe. I don't know how it got so cold, but my chest is holding all I'm feeling.
Alright, we're eating this raspberry thingy. Lorenzo already tried his. What do you rate it out of 10? Bro, we cannot put that in the vlog. What do you rate it out of 10?
A 10.
Alright.
Like, that thing was so good.
Yeah, it's a 10. So much better than the other one.
I just love raspberries.
Yeah, it's so good.
Alright.
Nah, what is bro doing? Oh nah.
I'm oinking it. I'm oinking it. I'm oinking
I'm
it, bro.
oinking it.
I'm oinking it.
Don't worry about it. That's not what you should be worried about right now. It's about getting down. That's the real hard part. Oh my gosh, bro. Yo. All right, get down. Let's see you get down. Come on, everyone watching is waiting for you to get down. All right. Let's see how this goes.
Yeah, bro. So sketchy. Fire started? Yes, sir. This is peak. So, what do you think of Vermont so far?
Peak.
Peak?
Quite peak.
Yeah, we're about to go, trespass into this dude's frickin', I don't know what you call it, his little brook pond area. And there's nothing you can do about it because bro does not own the water. We're just gonna walk up the stream. And we're gonna rage bait him if he comes outside.
He's getting rage baited big time.
Yeah, we're gonna be D1 rage baiters. He's the master baiter, we're the rage baiters.